This meal is going to be called the IP 4-bean medley.
Welcome to Kiwis to Pistachio.
So what I'm going to do today is make beans. So I'm going to make a combination of these 4 beans. They are dark red kidney beans, black beans, pinto beans, and great northern beans. All of these 4 beans are going to be cooked in the Instapot, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Step 1, open up each bag. I'm going to be cooking all of these, but I'm just going to show you this 4-bean medley. These are organic. Organic's always more money than these standard bags. You gotta check your beans for rocks or debris. You don't have a choice. So in this case, we're gonna be using half a cup of each. We're gonna start with the dark red kidney beans. Then we're gonna check them. We're gonna pour it on top of this. And we're just gonna see that they're all beans. There's no debris or some stones or a bad bean that's moldy. No, this one's fine. And we're gonna put it and stick it in here. What it's gonna be, that takes care of the bean. The black bean next. Do the same thing. A cup of that. And you're gonna flip these guys and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna make sure there's no rocks and there isn't. Oh yeah, bad bean, that one's okay. And we're gonna cup it in. And we're gonna put it inside a little container. So now we have the red beans and we have the black beans. Next is gonna be the great northerns. You're measuring. Does it have to be that precise? I'm just trying to show you that you can do different things. Okay, so put this in, just double check the same thing. You're gonna see, oh, this one's broken, but it's okay. Oh, the other half over here. I don't see any rocks. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna cup this like so. And if you had a stiff one of these, you would just cup it in your hand. So now you have 3 beans. And now the last bean is gonna be the pinto bean. Just put that in here. And what we're trying to do is get different combinations. That's why we're mixing up 4 different beans together. Okay, so then we're going to put the same thing. We're going to go through and check for rocks. And there's no rocks. And we're going to cup this up. Stick it. Okay. Now these beans, these 2 cups of dried beans have now become 4 cups of beans. We're going to take these beans and we're going to rinse them off in the sink. And then we're going to put them inside the Instant Pot pressurized cooker. And this way we're going to add more water to it and then we're going to cook it for about 30 minutes. So let's get started. This is the Instapot pressurized cooker. So now the beans go in. Next you need to put in 6 cups of water. I have filtered water, kind of level the beans off. And the trick is to have an inch above the bean. So just assuming that this is about an inch. It's a very long inch. Plenty of room. Kind of mix them in there, kind of level it all out. After that, you put the lid back on. You set the sealer, this one in the middle, down to the center because you want it to seal. So next, I'm going to press manual and I'm going to increase the time to 30 minutes. That's all you need to do. Then you can walk away, watch TV, do your exercise, take care of the kids. The Instapot turned itself on and now it's starting to pressurize the pot. See you in a couple minutes. Here I'm just showing you that I'm going to take the cooled beans and put it in a storage container. Now rice and beans make a complete protein refrigerator. Put the cover back on it.
Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.